Namaste students, Kusrobityum. I JV and Dr. Narendra Singh Sekhar, Assistant Professor, Department of Shalya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's Institute. In previous class, we discussed about anatomy of small intestine, and today's class we will discuss about anatomy of large intestine, anatomy and physiology of large intestine. The large intestine comes after the small intestine in the digestive tract and measures approximately 1.5 meter in length in adult. This is the large anatomy, large intestine. First part of large intestine is cecum. It's the proximal end of the large intestine and is where the large and small intestine meet at the ileocecal junction. It is located in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen near the iliac fossa. Is a sac that extends inferiorly about 6 centimeters past the ileocecal junction. Appendix is attached to the cecum is a tube about 9 centimeters long. This diagram is showing the whole large intestine, as you can see. Colon. Second part is the colon. Is the last part of the digestive system. Most vertebrates. It extract water and salt from solid waste before they are eliminating from the body and is the site in which flora added large bacteria fermentation of unabsorbed material occurs. Unlike the small intestine, the colon does not play a major role in the absorption of food and nutrients. However, the colon does absorb water, sodium, some fat-soluble vitamins. This is the showing the part of colon. There is the four part of colon. First first one is ascending colon. This one is the ascending colon. Okay, student. Second one is transverse colon. This one is the transverse colon. Third one is the descending colon. This is descending colon. Fourth one is the sigmoid colon. This one is the sigmoid colon. Okay, students. Sigmoid colon connected to the rectum. This one is the rectum, and rectum is connect with the anus. Clear, students? The colon consists fourth part: ascending colon, uh, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. As you can see, this is the uh, inside view of colon. There are crypts and tenaculae present. Fourth, then the part of large intestine is rectum. It is a straight muscular tube that begins at the termination of the sigmoid colon and ends at the anal canal. The muscular tonic is smooth muscles and is relatively thick in the rectum compared with the rest of it. It continues above with the sigmoid colon while below it ends in the anal canal from its origin at the level of the third sacral vertebra. Okay, students, this part is the rectum connected with the uh, colon and below the anal canal. Okay, student? Anal canal. The last 2 to 4 centimeter long of the digestive tract. It begins at the inferior end of the rectum and ends at the anus verge. The smooth muscles of the anal canal is even thicker than that of the rectum and form the internal anal sphincter at the superior end of the anal canal. The external anal sphincter at the inferior end of the anal canal is formed by skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscle. This diagram is showing the anatomy of rectum and anal canal. This is the rectum. Then this communicate with the anal canal. This is the anal canal, as you can see, friends. Inside this this is the levator muscles, as you can see both sides. There are two types of sphincter: internal sphincter or external sphincter. As you can see, this is the internal sphincter, and this is the external sphincter. Okay, students. Function: uh, absorbing water, absorption of vitamins, reducing acidity and protecting from infections, producing antibodies. Okay, students. This is all about the anatomy of large intestine. This digital session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 JAYOTI Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts or queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you. Namaste students. So, I, Dr. Naren Singh Shekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Shalya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. मैं consultant Suryan's आरोग्य सलाह Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Previous class we discussed some words or some disease of the student disease. Today we discuss about hydrosis. What is hydrosis? The vaginal process. Vaginal is an embryonic developmental outpouching of the parietal peritoneum. It is present from around the 12th week of gestation and commences as a peritoneal outpouching. Failure of closure of vaginal process leads to propensity to develop a number of abnormalities. Peritoneal fluid can travel down a patent vaginal process, leading to the formation of a hydrocele. Persistent patent process vaginosis is more common than right than left. Congestion of blood in persistent process vaginosis to result in hematocele. This is you can see the anatomy, the anatomy of the important what are the difference between vaginal peritoneal cavity also. This is the collection of pairs of clinical vaginal process. Right is congenital and acquired. Third is primary and secondary. As you can see in left side picture, the hydrocele lessons covered. In the anatomy of different anatomy of hydrocele. Very first is the internal breathing, then superficial external ring, layers of scrotum as you can see outermost is fascia, then the darkest muscle, then spermatic fascia and internal master muscles, then internal spermatic fascia. After that, the clinical well. There are two layers of clinical well. There are types of inguinal hernia. Primary hydrocele, congenital hydrocele, funicular hydrocele, infantile hydrocele, sister hydrocele of the cord. Vaginal hydrocele, prominence, like vaginal, bilocular hydrocele, and hydrocele of the hernial sac. Etiology. Effective absorption of fluid by tunica vaginalis, probably due to damage to the endothelial wall by low-grade infection. Excessive production of fluid as in secondary hydrocele. Interference with the drainage of fluid by lymphatic vessels of the cord. Communication with the peritoneal cavity. Failure of closure of vaginal fossa. Hydrocele fluid is ambicolored with a specific gravity of 1.022 to 1.024. It contains water, salt, albumin, diclofenac, Percea. Hydrocele fluid does not flow, but it will become contaminated blood cycle flows thermally. Often fluid contains cholesterol and tyrosine crystals. Crystal which contains cholesterol, vaginal hydrocele break gel, primary occurs in middle age, common in tropical countries. This is not veritable as it usually attains a large size, unlike secondary which are small, except highlighted. Fluctuant elected by the hydrocele hand and green for the blue movement using plastic into perpendicular lines. Relax muscles can demonstrate flexion in vertical initial transluminant ellipse front of the cell inside the cell, but long standing hydrocele is non-transluminant due to thickened dartos, thickened spermatic fascia, thickened hydrocele, sac infected, content, dilus fluid, often familial hydrocele. Can get about the swelling you can feel only for cells and nothing else at the root of the epidural area. Testicular sensation can be elected in vaginal hydrocele by transmitting the visceral sensation through the hydrocele which is brilliantly transluminant, get about the swelling in possible injected hydrocele. This is the hydrocele is transluminant, it may be negative in long standing hydrocele. It's a dark and potential to have target. Hydrocele in two different presents. One is average size, large and very called inclusion hydrocele. There, Unican and Brazilian as well can occur internally, but there is no contact test in the internal background. Congenital hydrocele. This is vaginal is communicated with the peritoneum gland. This communication is or it is too small bowel does not extend and so hernia usually will not develop while lying on. revision while improved reflex. But if you cannot be played by digital passage, it does innovated input alone. That's the part of one associated discussion. Next class. This section follows digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this digital version. If you have any query, doubt, query, please mention in comment box. I will